Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to another one of my videos. This video is going to be about a deodorant haul basically. So I have a bunch of different deodorants that I have tried over the years and they're just sitting empty here. So I thought before throwing them out, let's just review them. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is benzoyl peroxide wash. It has 5% benzoyl peroxide, and I saw many videos from dermatologists, from skincare influencers, from everyone to use benzoyl peroxide on your underarms. What is suggested is you wash your underarms with benzoyl peroxide, keep it for 5 minutes. Don't If you are trying this, never keep it for more than 5 minutes. Don't let it go to 7 minutes. Don't let it go to 10 minutes. I have tried that and I felt like my underarms burned. Be on the safe side, keep it for 4 to 5 minutes only, and then just wash it off, and then just go to do anything you want, go about your day. You'll not have any kind of body odor or anything. So that's what was recommended from many videos that I saw. So in winters, it worked kind of, because in winters you don't get sweaty even. But in summers, it did not really work for me. Like, it worked for I think 4 5 hours, and then again I started feeling sweaty. I started feeling that like a slight hint of odor. So it did not work for me. It is basically supposed to kill the bacteria on your underarms, or even if you have back acne, clear the bacteria there. So I had to use it as a body wash and just finish it off. If you're thinking of trying benzoyl peroxide, I would say don't just buy a benzoyl peroxide wash or a soap, Go with benzoyl peroxide plus an antiperspirant deodorant so that you can see for yourself. If you can, just reapply it. Okay, so the second product that I have right here is Earth Rhythm Shikimic Acid AHA based deodorant. It has AHA in it. It is also supposed to kill the bacteria on your underarm. It does not mention anywhere how much of AHA it has. No fragrance at all. I prefer to use fragrance-free deodorants. I don't like fragrance. It also did not work for me, like 1 2 hours I would say. But then again, don't buy this one, please. I use it on my elbows and I use it on my knees in the night before sleeping, because it has AHA, so it will give me a bit of benefit, right? So I just apply it on my pigmented areas. A good feature of it, which I have not seen in any of the other deodorant. So it has this off switch and then on switch. When the arrow is on off, whatever you do, you will not get anything. No deodorant at all. When you move it to on, press it a bit, and then it will start coming. And then after you're done, you can move it to off, wipe it with a tissue and keep it, which I think is a really good thing. Every deodorant should have this way you can actually clean it. You can make sure that there is no extra product that has dried up on this ball here. I want to include the deodorant on which I had kept all my hopes, my maximum hopes, because it was taking all of my check boxes. So this is Carmesy Natural Deodorant Roll-On. I had a lot of hopes from this, but all shattered in a day. On the first day itself, all shattered in 1 to 2 hours. That was enough. And that was even when I was sitting in AC. Still, I use my deodorants on a daily basis, so I wanted something that did not have AHA, because I don't want to exfoliate and overburn my underarms. I really wanted a fragrance-free deodorant, so I went for this one. This is fragrance-free version. It comes in other different fragrances as well. It claims to reduce pigmentation, fresh odor all day, does not clog pores, controls sweat, does nothing at all. Like I said, I applied it, went to my office. In an hour, I was like, oh, I'm feeling a bit sweaty. And then I was like, it is not working. So don't go for this one. Maybe the fragrance versions are good, maybe that's working, because when I purchased it, I saw the reviews but did not get anything. You can see it has this kind of a clear liquid kind of a thing. It says fragrance free, but it has a very mild kind of a smell. Does not bother me. It really does not matter if the deodorant doesn't stay on your skin. Then the next would be a set of these old age deodorants. I bought it I think 1 to 2 years back on Flipkart. It was on sale. The pack of three I got for I think 200 or 180. It worked great for initial days, like 1 to 2 months. It worked okay, but then after that, I don't know why or how, but my underarm skin started burning. So whenever I used to apply this, I used to get really irritated. Like it irritated my skin. So I had to stop using this. One thing that I want to highlight here is that whatever I'm speaking and whatever I'm telling, I'm sharing my experience, and this is my experience. This is my recommendations. It may work for you or it may not work for you. So if it's something is working for you already, continue using it. Don't take my word on it. If you want to try something, don't just go with my reviews, go with other reviews as well before deciding it for yourself. And I'm saying this because I know that these didn't work for me, maybe because I have a super sensitive skin, but it may work for you if you don't have very sensitive underarms, if you have not used AHAs, pencil peroxide, and waxing. I highly doubt if you have itchy, burning underarms, but if you have done those things, then you should be able to relate to me and my recommendations. These three texture, all of these three more or less is the same. Any of them did not work for me, so I just stopped using this. You can see the texture here. Again, it's clearly milky white. In odor protection, these work really well. So it will give you odor protection for 12 to 18 hours, 24 hours. So in that way, it's really good. And if you also like fragrance, if you don't have any problem with this kind of fragrance, definitely go for this. It also has 0% alcohol. It has very kind of like it claims shower fresh. It has like that kind of refreshing smell only. Those menthol kind of soaps like synthol. So it smells like that. This I can tell you even without smelling because it has powdery kind of smell. Think of like floral and powder, that Pond's pink powder. It smells like that. This one is pink powder dry. And this was my favorite one. This is the aloe vera one. What I'll say is, out of these three, this used to be my favorite because it has the lightest, mildest smell. The smell is familiar but hard for me to describe. So these were the products that I had to throw out because they were not working for me. And yeah, that is pretty much it from me. Now I can finally go and throw all this junk out in the dustbin. Not this one, but all of the other ones. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, share, and I'll probably see you in the next one.